Greetings, everyone. Today's video is going to be about what I believe the greatest tool that you'll have to develop if you're going to be a successful investor is, and this tool is more useful than all the indicators that there are out there. Um, Very important. All the greats have mastered this, so let's get right to it. The tool is quite simply patience. Now, patience for investors, at least, is the mastery of time over emotion, not chasing things, not uh, rushing to buy something the second it gets a little bit cheap, because even things that seem impossibly cheap can still get much cheaper. So, humility and patience with regards to the market are very important. More on that note is don't fight the market. Wait for the prices to come down to you. If you are patient and understand how the market works, then there are some times where you'll get prices, dislocations between fundamentals and value, prices that at current levels you may not believe might ever happen. I mean, they may seem illogical at today's levels. Now, why it's important to understand time is because nothing happens in a straight line. There's always ebb and flow of maybe this, maybe that. So rarely is a decision that you make crunch time at a deadline the right move, because there's other people that don't have to make a decision on a deadline, and sometimes not making a move is a smarter decision than doing anything specific. Now remember, while institutions may have a lot more research and a lot more professional experience with the markets, the advantage that you have is that no one's forcing you to be fully allocated. So you can wait, you can have cash. Some institutions are not allowed to have cash. Use your advantage sometimes if you feel the need to, or if you don't like the environment, you don't have to take risks. Also, remember, when you're buying a position, you don't have to buy all at once. Be patient. If you bought some here, it could go lower. You can buy more. Just wait. Now, if you want to know how to master time, um, you've come to the wrong person. I don't know everything. I don't know anything close to everything. If I ever figure it out, I'll let you know. Or if I find, a little blue phone box just on the corner of the street. But that's unlikely. What I've figured out so far is that you have to take your time and not force yourself to make a move. If you're waiting to figure something out before you make a move, wait. Now, as to a quick recent story that proves this point, on December 24th, the half day where the market was falling precipitously, I remember a friend told me that his girlfriend was saying, "Oh, isn't the market dropping?" This friend and I, we often discuss stocks. And at the same time, someone who I worked with sent me a message at 12:17 in the afternoon. I have it right in front of me. It was it was just appeared as a reminder. Sell all your stocks because stuff is going down. Now, these people probably were best intentioned and probably were just acting in what they thought was the best decision, but they were also rookies when it comes to the stock market. So when I saw those messages, plus if you looked at the put to call ratio, I should have made a video about this. I'd have looked like a genius, but I told my friend on that day, we're really due for a bounce, because everyone that didn't know what was going on was panicking. Now, you don't have to believe this video, obviously, this story, because obviously it's with the benefit of hindsight, but I swear to you it's true, but you don't, either way, you don't have to believe it, but it's just the point is that sometimes when people are fearful or acting with emotions, they rush to make a decision, and in the near immediate term after, that decision is also often unwise. Now, if you wanted to sell, you could have waited for today or tomorrow or yesterday. I don't know, could go much higher, but my point is we're 9% off the low. So selling at the time when we were receiving these messages is pretty clearly unwise.